like footstep power generation.
For this project, we here is piezoelectric sensors which measures acceleration, force, pressure by its conversion into electric signals. We here also use voltage module to measure its output. The system generates voltage by using footstep force.
We can save our LCD in the batteries, or we can charge our phones with using the cable. And when the pressure is applied in the piezoelectric sensors, the voltage is generated. We can check the voltage now.
Our car named ESP32 and also known as Node MCU car. Let us talk about the car. This car is having a microcontroller which acts as the processing unit of the car.
Firstly, we have the microcontroller, a very powerful microcontroller that acts as the processing unit of the car and serves as the brain and enabling to perform various functions and actions.
This car is having a motor driver module which helps the car to move forward, backward, right and left.
So how does it work? By establishing, we need to connect to the network of the Node MCU through a smartphone or any other Wi-Fi enabled device. With just a few taps on my phone, I can make the car move. In conclusion, by combining hardware, software and creativity to build something extraordinary.
Solar tracking system. I am KDB Prasanna. A solar tracker is a device which helps in orienting solar photovoltaic panels or lens which turn towards the sun. This uses solar or light sensors which are connected with the machine.
Good morning, sir. My name is P. Jessica of class 7B. The project operates on the principle of solar tracking. It uses LDRs, light dependent resistors, to measure changes in light intensity. The Arduino processes this data and controls a servo motor connected with the solar panel. The servo motor adjusts the solar panel's position, ensuring it consistently faces the sun. This dynamic alignment optimizes sunlight exposure, maximizing energy capture and overall efficiency in solar power generation.
Hi, I'm Jatin. Solar trackers provide several advantages. Unlike its fixed counterparts, solar trackers follow the sun's path throughout the day, maximizing energy output. They can be used during morning, evening, low sun angles and seasons with less sunlight. This makes a quick return in profit which can be used for other projects, which makes them economically viable. Did you know that the first solar panel was invented 200 years ago with a thin layer of selenium and a thin layer of gold?
ESP32 Cam car is a combination of ESP32 camera module. It is programmed by Arduino, which is used for IoT innovations.
Hi, I'm K. Sagit. The materials required for this project, which is the ESP32 Cam, a driver module, 2 wheels with attached to 2 DC motors, a caster wheel, 2 batteries with a battery holder, and a few jumper wires.
Now I am going to tell that how it works. First we should on the switch and we should go to settings. Then we will get a dot. It is connected with the phone and we should go to Google and search for 192.164.